Len and the art of motorcycle maintenance here again. We're still with the Kawasaki ER6. We're still measuring injector pulse width duration. Just now we have 0 volts at the injector and we're going to start it up. Alright, Duncan, on you go. So you can see the injector duration just now is about just over 2 milliseconds. Give it a rev, Duncan, please. That's right. So you can see there when the bike is being revved, there were some injector pulses which were a lot longer than the 2 or 3 milliseconds. One like this, for example, which is closer to 8 milliseconds, and that's even just the amount of load at idle, but with the throttle open. So the injector is going to be held open for a much longer period of time when the engine is under load, such as the throttle being opened. Okay, see you soon.